Okay, 5.4. Volume of cubes and rectangular prisms. This is a lot quicker than surface area, and it should only take us a few minutes to get through this, and then you can have the rest of the time, okay? So, does anybody know what volume measures? The space inside of an object. Good definition. The space inside of an object. Okay, so volume measures the space inside of a shape. So like, for example, Spencer's can of Mountain Dew. How much Mountain Dew is in your can?
About half the can.
What's this say? 12 fluid ounces. That's a volume because that's how much fits in the can. Okay. Okay, so steps for calculating volume. First, you got to find the area of the base. We're only doing rectangles and squares today. How do I find the area of a rectangle or a square? Base times height, right? Multiply. Okay, so if you look here, it says base times height. They did 5 times 4 to get the area of this front side. Okay. Then you multiply the area of the base by the height of the prism. So the area was 20. The height is this number over here that we haven't used yet, which is 4. So they did 20 times 4 and got 80. And then you have to label your answer. Ooh, this is wrong. Let's fix it. Okay, in volume, there are 3 dimensions, so it should be centimeters cubed. What's that? Okay. Questions about the steps? All right, let's go. The faster we get this done, the faster you got time to yourself. Okay, so on number 1, if you flip your page over. You can grab 2 pages. Maybe. There you go. Number 1 on the examples page. We need to find the area of this square. How do I do that? 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. Then you got to multiply it times the height. What's the height? It's a cube. The height is 2, right? So 4 times 2. 8. Okay, so it's 8, and then we got to label it. 8, do we know what units it is? So we're just going to put units cubed. Or you can put U cubed if you don't want to write out units. That is it.
What?
Yes.
That's all?
Yes, that's what I was telling you.
Insanely easy.
I know. Do you remember at the beginning when I said this won't take very long if we pay attention? Okay. Let's do number 2. Number 2, how do I find the area of this front side? Either, okay, it doesn't matter if you pick 10 times 3 or 10 times 7, you just got to pick one, right? We're going to do 10 times 3, which is
30.
Then we got to multiply by the height. If we use 10 and 3, what's the only number we haven't used? 7, right?
Then we do 7 times 3, right?
7 times 30.
Oh.
What's that? Okay.
Oh, I get it now.
So what's 7 times 3?
21.
21, and then we add the 0 that was at the end. Okay, so 210 units cubed. Really, all we got to do is multiply all 3 numbers, right? You're going to do the next 2.
Yeah.
Try 3 and 4. If you're figuring this out, all we're doing is multiplying the length, the width, and the height, right? So on number 3, what should we multiply? 3 times 3 times 3. What's 3 times 3? 9 times 3 is 27. Make sure you put units cubed. Don't put 27 cubed because that's different, right? 27 cubed is a big number. Because area is 2 dimensions, so it's squared with a 2. Volume is 3 dimensions, so it's cubed with a 3. Okay. All right, number 4. What do we need to multiply? What do we need to multiply on number 4, guys?
6 times 14.
Okay, 8 times 14 times 6, right? And what did we get?
I don't know.
Somebody got a calculator? 8 times.
672. 8 times 12. I mean 14 is 112.
Okay, 8 times 14 is 112.
And
Times 6.
112 times 6 is 672.
672 units cubed. Okay, flip to the next page. Any questions so far? We all good? Easy peasy?
Yeah.
All right, do 5 and 6. Go. Okay, number 5. What do you gotta do?
42 times 8.
Okay, 3 times 14 times 8. Spencer says 3 times 14 is 42. 42 times 8 is 336.
Yep, sure.
Anybody? Try it. Somebody. 336 units cubed.
Units.
Okay, number 6 is a cube, so they're all the same. Yeah, so 4 times 4 times 4. Reed said 4 times 4 is 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is what? 64 units cubed. Okay, have we done 7 and 8, or do we need time to do 7 and 8? Working on it, all right. Work on 7 and 8. And number 7, what are we multiplying?
5 times 5 times 5.
5 times 5 times 5. What's 5 times 5?
25.
And 25 times 5 is? Good. Okay, number 8. What are we multiplying?
3 times 10.
Okay, what's 3 times 10?
30.
And 30 times 8 is?
240.
240 units cubed. Okay, if you turn your paper over, the your turn problems start. You have half an hour before you have to go to lunch. I think you have enough time to get 12 problems done. Okay, so finish the your turn problems. It's all multiplication. Use a calculator if you need to. When you're done, I need to see them, and then you're done for the day.